Hey gang, in today's lesson on Pool School, I'm going to show you an erosion style chlorine tablet holder. So let's get going. I'm at, again, one of my pool clients' pools, and this, my friends, is an erosion style in-ground pool chlorinator. It's very simple. Rather than a floating tablet holder that floats around the pool, this one is usually built into the side of your pool, and it's got a lid like this, and inside you'll notice I've got a couple tablets in there, and there's a pipe. So what happens is this always has to work when your filter motor is running. There has to be water circulating through it for the erosion to occur, okay? And what happens basically is water circulates through the filter, it goes into that sump from the bottom. If you look in the very bottom, there's a center little circular thing. That's a little feed pipe, and water goes into that, okay, from the filter, and it starts to erode. The chlorine tablets are in there. And then as it fills, that pipe right there goes to the pool right there, and a concentrated mixture of water and chlorine goes into the pool. Remember, it only runs, or it only works when you have the filter running, so that way water's flowing. But some pools are equipped with that. They're very simple to use. I'm going to take you around the back and show you the way to control the amount of water that flows into there. Okay. Alrighty, I'm in back of this pool system, and you notice this thing has a return series of things here. Okay, there's an aerator, and we'll discuss that another time. There's the deck chlor. It's called a deck chlor, and then there's the returns. You notice this deck chlor is wide open because this pool actually has a salt system, and only on occasion do I put tablets in there, like right now, because it's colder, and so in the winter months a salt cell will not produce chlorine, so you have to supplement it. So this deck chlor, the valve is always open full, okay? But you can adjust this little valve right here by turning it one way or the other. And again, if it's in line with the pipe, that means it's fully open. The more perpendicular it gets to the pipe, the less water is going to flow to it. And again, you can adjust that based on how much chlorine you need, concentrated chlorine solution you need going in your pool. And you have to play with that and test your chlorine levels in your pool to see how that works. But again, for the most part, they're very simple. And again, you can add more chlorine tablets into that sump out there by your pool in order to take care of that and get more chlorine into the system as well. But remember, it only functions and works when your pool equipment is running, because it needs water flowing through that sump in order to erode and transfer the solution into the pool. So there you have it, folks. That is an erosion style chlorinator that goes in the side of your pool. You might have one. If you do, hopefully that'll help. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section below this video, or you can email me, and the address will come up right here. It says kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. I hope this helped you out a lot. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. Remember, it's getting close to the holidays, it's cooling off, but you still have a pool, and if you have kids, remember, have fun, be safe, and always, always, always watch your kids around water. I'll see you next time.